everyone, my name is Susin Tansari. I am student from Polytechnic Harapan Bersama Tegal City. I want to review risol snack. This is risol, has a little spicy and has a chicken filling. This is delicious. If you interested, you can order directly at Admin Snack.